China State Shipbuilding Corporation introduced new underwater warfare, the Small Special Operations Unmanned Submarine at the Zhuhai Air Show. This unmanned platform is designed to carry out a wide range of covert operations including reconnaissance, mine-laying, stealthy delivery and even strikes. Turkey Defense Minister has confirmed the signing of a contract to purchase 40 F-16 Viper fighter jets from the United States. The dual acquisition of F-16 and Eurofighter Typhoons underscores Turkey's determination to maintain high-level air capabilities in a strategic environment. Photos of North Korean long-range artillery systems arriving in Russia have emerged on Russian social media. The images reportedly show the 170mm M1989 Coxswain self-propelled artillery unit being transported through Russian territory. Chinese new strike drone Skysaker FX800A, manufactured by the Chinese corporation Norinco, caught everyone's attention at the Zhuhai Air Show. It is designed to provide reconnaissance, surveillance and strikes with precision-guided weapons.